Hello everyone, Happy New Year to you, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday break with your families and loved ones, and also have some break for yourself just to relax and rest. Well, today I'm going to introduce our new term class. We will start on the 28th and 30th January, the Wednesday and Friday class. So Wednesday class will continue with our 42 and 56 Chen style. 42 form is well-balanced form. We have learning from the last year, and we continue to practice for the form, and it's mainly the 42 with the Yang style. There's a small portion of the Chen style and the Wu style in our 42 form. So apart from the practice and learning of the major Tai Chi school, the styles, the real focus is to taste and gradually understand further with the Tai Chi principles for health benefit reason. So the balance of the form practice, our left brains and the right brains, the limbs, the left and right, it gives us opportunity to develop more grounding sensation and thinking, cultivate our chi through the practice. I think 24 for me, the beauty of the 42 is it really allow us to challenge ourselves a little bit with the memory as well, because 42 means there's more movements. So it's nice to trying to remember the movement through your imagination or visualization, making stories. I have students who tell me how they make stories to visualize the movement from one to the next one. And not only the brain work, but also the physically challenging movements. For example, we have weight bearing, transferring, or Tai Chi steps constantly through our Tai Chi form, which really practice your balance, your strengthening, improve your flexibility, but also I guess there are single leg standing, which give you the opportunity to see, really reinforce or strengthen your balance. And we have a kick, not the, hard, rapid, fast kick, but the slow motion allow you to really challenge your muscular strength. And the development of mind-body connection allow you to observe your breath, which is really good for cardiac vascular health as well as your respiratory system as well. So it's a holistic approach, just like any class that we do through our Tai Chi and Qigong practice. It's see you or heal you, or how to say it, to connect with the whole body, whole being. Then our 56 class is really a good combination of graceful and robust movement. We had good fun last term. We just had such a wonderful group of people who continue our 56, continue to enjoy the movements, continue to learn from the movement about themselves, and also to support each other, to appreciate the beauty of the 56, regardless, at times it can be challenging. The same with 42. So 42 and 56, they challenge in one ways, but also they can give you the joy in other ways. I hope, doesn't matter if you have learned Tai Chi and Qigong in the past, this is the first time that you're curious and want to give a Tai Chi and Qigong go. Come to the 42 class and enjoy the practice just for that class, and don't think about you have missed the previous movements, because there's gonna be plenty of movements in the future. So just enjoy at that present moment and learn what you can learn, what you can do, and enjoy what you can do for yourself. So welcome all ages, and we have people from 30s to 70s plus, and people just doing what they can on their own term and practice safely and enjoy their own development and see the changes for themselves. Then we move to Friday's morning class. Friday morning class is Tai Chi for beginners. So the name tells you all can come for the for the Tai Chi for beginners class, and it's a lovely form that I have developed many years ago. It aims at developing the sensation of grounding, the balance between your left and right, the slow weight transferring process through Tai Chi steps. And there's so much more about mind-body connection. There's time for you to relax, to take that internal peace in your practice, to feel that serenity through our practice. So your mind is not buzzing, it's not monkey everywhere. Rather, you can focus at present moment. You can appreciate that your mind leads your breath, and your breath leads the movement. And that holistic calmness and focus is what we're looking for in Tai Chi for beginners class. So you're welcome to join the class, to have a come try if you have never done Tai Chi, or if you have been doing with us, then welcome back to our new term. So once again, I look forward to seeing you all back to the class, and welcome to all the new faces as well in the term 1. I hope you have a great day, and using the online resources, there's over hundreds of videos, instructional videos I uploaded over the last 10 years. So it's all free to everybody. You can take advantage and do whatever that you find is interesting and suitable for you before we start our new term. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.